Patent.
One of the two boxes I got is the printer, and the other small box is the accessories. Cut the tape off the box. After opening the box, take out the foam cotton. Use a knife to cut along the edge of the carton, being careful not to scratch the printer. The foam holding the printer out of the carton. Tear apart the foam along the bonding point. Place the printer on the table. Peel off the outer disposable film. Take out the power cord. Plug in the power cord. Turn on switch. Click the second field symbol on the toolbar. Click Manual Control. Custom printer lift height is 5. Click the step control to raise the printer platform. Remove the foam cotton. Unboxing and installation are complete. Next, watch the leveling video and level the platform.